Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Adobe Photoshop for free in 2020. Like, subscribe and turn on post notifications for more tutorials. Watch the entire video if you want to know how to get Photoshop for free. Click on the second link in the description which will take you to this website. Click on the blue button that says, Download. Now you will see that WinRAR will start downloading. After it has downloaded, click the first link in the description. After you have clicked on the first link in the description, it will take you to this website. Click on the green button that says, Download. Now Photoshop will start downloading. It will only take about 2 minutes to download. When Photoshop is done downloading, open up the Photoshop file on WinRAR. Now click on Adobe, PS, CS6. Then click on Photoshop CS6. Then click on Setup.exe. Now just keep clicking Next until it says Enter License Key. When it says Enter License Key, just go back to WinRAR and go into the file called serial.txt. It is above setup.exe. Now just copy the activation key and paste it into where it says, Enter License Key. After this, just wait until Photoshop downloads, and you're done. Thanks for watching and I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.